Yangcheng in Jiangsu province is one of 25 cities accredited on Thursday by the Rامسر Convention as international wetland cities. The Rامسر Convention is an intergovernmental agreement dedicated to the conservation and rational use of wetland ecosystems. Yangcheng is known as an international airport for birds. It's an important stopover site for migratory birds on the East Asian Australasian flyway.
每年冬天来这里遇到了大岭河，最多的时候是1080个左右。大岭河叫做鹤鸣九高，分为一天嘛，它这个声音很洪亮，和其他的鸟的叫声不一样。所以说，只要听到这个声音，那就知道是大岭河来了啊。
Wetlands cover more than 38% of the total area in Yangcheng. The city has 2 wetlands of international importance, as well as China's first World Natural Heritage Site of coastal wetlands.